Al-Bukhari 3616, narrated Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam paid a visit to a sick Bedouin. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when visiting a patient, used to say, "No harm will befall you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cure you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cure you." So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to the Bedouin, "Harm will befall you. May Allah cure you." And Bedouin said, "You say, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cure me. No, for it is a fever which boils in the body of an old man and will lead him to the grave." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Yes, then may it be as you say." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3617, narrated Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. There was a Christian who embraced Islam and read Surah Al-Baqarah and Al-Imran, and he used to write the revelation for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Later on, the return to Christianity again, and he used to say, "Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam knows nothing but what I have written for him." Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala caused him to die, and the people buried him. But in the morning they saw that the earth had thrown his body out. They said, "This is the act of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions. They dug the grave of our companion, had took his body out of it because he had run away from them. They again dug the grave deeply for him. But in the morning they again saw that the earth had thrown his body out. They said, This is an act of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions. They dug the grave of our companion and threw his body outside it, for he had run away from them. They dug the grave for him as deep as they could. But in the morning they again saw that the earth had thrown his body out. So they believed that what had befallen him was not done by human being, and had to leave him thrown on the ground." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3618, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "When Khusro perishes, there will be no more Khusro after him. And when Kaisar perishes, there will be no more Kaisar after him. By him in whose hands Muhammad's life is, you will spend the treasures of both of them in Allah's cause." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3619, narrated Jabir bin Samura radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "When Khusro perishes, there will be no more Khusro after him. And when Kaisar perishes, there will be no more Kaisar after him." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, "You will spend the treasures of both of them in Allah's cause." Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.